everyone, this is PADLOCK. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 90 of the hashtag 365 hour series. So today we have this YALE. It's only a 3 on the protection scale, so it shouldn't be too difficult to pick. This is a YE3 38119 BK, whatever that means. So we're going to try and pick this one today. Do an out of packet pick if I can. I do love an out of packet pick. I do test your skills. So I'm going to put this one in the vise. So this is what it looks like. Nice little lock. And I'm going to attempt to have a quick look at the fitting of the key before we start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinner. I better check the it works. Yeah, should be great. Yeah, should. Right then. So I think it's going to need a small one. Yeah. So what should we go in with? A standard hook? Let's try a standard hook. Yep. I think that should have been a 1 rather than a 3. But nevertheless, a little out of packet pick complete. So that wasn't too difficult at all, was it? Probably 10 or 15 seconds to get that open. I don't know, not a lot, but a nice little lock regardless. I would not use it to lock anything other than my diary. However, nice looking lock and a nice one for the collection. So nice little out of packet pick for vlog 90. That's it from me today. Hope you all enjoyed that. See you later.